Hey Diamonds, it's Jamequa and welcome to my channel where I show you the ins and outs of what it means to be an entrepreneur. And in today's video, I'll be sharing 4 things you can do for your business during quarantine. These 4 things you can do for your business no matter how small or big your business is. Before I get into this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell to get notified every time I upload. One thing you can do for your business during this quarantine time is to get active on social media. Start interacting with your followers and like 2 or 3 of their pictures. You can also comment under 1 or 2 of their photos. Another thing that you can do is find someone in your niche, go to their followers and start interacting with their followers. This will give your business new exposure to potential customers. The next thing that you can do for your business during this quarantine period is share your knowledge. Whether you're on Instagram or YouTube, you can share what you know or learned if it relates to your business niche. You can get creative. For example, this video that I'm sharing with you right now, it's showing you all how to be productive during quarantine time in your business. It doesn't have to be complex, it can be simple, and just share what you know. If someone can learn from you, then you would be considered an expert in whatever you're talking about. The next thing that you can do during this quarantine time is to work on your website. If you don't have one, create one. I use Wix, but you can also use Shopify or Squarespace. If you do have a website, make sure that you make it mobile friendly, especially if your target audience is younger people like millennials. Some benefits of having a mobile friendly website is that it increases your customers' time on your website. It also improves your customer's experience and it improves your mobile conversion rates. And last but not least, the 4th thing that you can do during this quarantine time for your business is to join a community. Make sure that the community is in the same niche that your business is in. So for example, if I were to join a community, I would join a business community or a community with business coaches, because that's what I am. You want to make sure that you're interacting with the people in this community. Also, be open to learning new things from other people. Ask questions, share your experience with others. It'll make you feel like you're not alone and you have others that you can depend on and talk to and share experiences with. And that's basically what we need during this time. And those are 4 things that you can do for your business during quarantine. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later.